Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to perform a factory reset on the Samsung Q950T soundbar. To reset, hold down the volume up and volume down buttons together for about 5 to 10 seconds. When you see INT displayed on the screen, the reset has begun. After a few seconds it says, "Goodbye," and then the device resets. That's it, thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.